Find x squared plus 36 equals 0. Okay, so let's transfer positive 36 to the other side. It will become negative 36. And then, kailangan i-remove yung square by cancel. So this one will become x is equal to negative 36. So imaginary number. So ito ay magiging square root of 36 times square root of negative 1. So yeah. So from square root of negative 36, ito ay naging square root of 36 times square root of negative 1. So yung value ng square root of 36 is 6. And then yung value ng square root of negative 1 is I. So ang value ng x ay 6i.